Warning! You must not open the fan cowl doors when the wind speed is 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour or more. An injury and/or damage can occur if the wind moves the fan cowl doors. Warning! You must not operate the engine with the fan cowl doors open and safetied by the hold-open rods at power higher than minimum idle. You must first follow the safety precautions and prepare the aircraft to operate on engines. Release the deflection restraint on the leading edge of the fan cowl door. Release the 4 fan cowl door latches. Open the cowl sufficiently to get access to the hold-open rods. Hold the cowls and connect the hold-open rods. Pull the release collar away from the receiver bracket and move the rod to the support bracket. Attach the free end of the rod to the support bracket. Open the fan cowl door. Warning! You must make sure that the fan cowl door hold-open rods are extended and are attached correctly. If not, the fan cowl doors can close accidentally and cause an injury and/or damage. If you can see the unlocked label, then the lock has not engaged. Repeat this operation to open the second fan cowl door.